It's a beautiful day today. We're playing out here, the other side of our field, so we can play in the sun. Because in a few weeks, the sun won't be here anymore. It will be behind the mountain. Our house hasn't seen the sun in a couple of weeks now, but out here we can catch the last rays of sun. It's warm for this time of the year. So we're also enjoying our last bonus days of autumn. Today it's the 23rd of November. It's 11 o'clock. I think this is about the highest the sun will get today. So only there, the treetops, there's some sunlight. But soon it will be behind the mountain over there. Okay, so it's really winter now. In October we had a couple of days of snow, but then it's left 1 or 2 days later. But now, end of November, it will stay until May. So there's a couple of things to do. We have to shovel some snow. And also, I have to change some tires. Our main car already had its snow wheels, but we left the summer wheels on the other cars for the warmer days. So now we can change the wheels of the other cars as well. This little guy is keeping me company.
Nee, hij is helemaal niet naar mij. En daar is de sneeuwbil. Wat is een sneeuwbil? Ja.
Als ik kan, doe ik mijn handschoenen meteen weer aan. Oké, dan gaat het.
Wow, ziet het er cool uit. Ja. Wow. Ja. Echt waar?
Zullen we eens proberen?
Ja.
Doe je staan? Zo, zo. Deze toch, dat gaat niet vast. Nou, die zo. En dan weer die kant op.
Ik ga hem staan voor.
Pak niet te dichtbij, niet goed verder. Moet onder de auto gaan.
Zo.
Nu zit hij mee, vast hè?
Gedaan.
Nog niet, nee, oké. Oké, die kant op en dan gaan we weer terug. Gewoon staan. En weer terug. En weer terug. Nog wat. Laat een stukje tot die klik zeg. Ja, nu zit hij goed vast. Zo goed. Ja, ja.
Ga zo lopen. Naar beneden hoor.
Almost 2:30, and now it's really getting dark. Video makes it lighter than it really is actually. But you get it. Okay, let's continue with the wheels. One of our neighbors gave their old sled to my boys, so they are really happy with it.
Zijn jullie er klaar voor?
And I thought it was a good idea to take it for a spin, but also to look up the sun a little bit. So there's no sun here the whole day, but little further, little higher up, you can catch a little sun. So that was our mission for today.
Ik doe het daar.
So
Ik ben toeter. Pap, kijk nou voor je. Anders kom je ergens tegenaan.
that's right. We did not find a lot of sun, but every time we got a little bit of sun on our face, it felt really, really great.
Komt de zon, jongens? Oh, lekker zon.
Maar het zijn kou in mijn ogen.
Geeft dat niet. Heerlijk. We gaan. 1, 2. Ho. Art mag op de terugweg voorop. Ga er maar op zitten. Bedankt, Liefie. Oké. Dan gaan we, Mart. Ben je er klaar voor? Ja? 1, 2. Ha! Oh, niet remmen, Mart, niet remmen, niet remmen. Ja. Oh. Oh.
So it's now December, and now it really starts to get cold. It's minus 23 Celsius today, so it's a really cold day. We're still outside though, but maybe not for too long. And as the days get shorter and shorter, you notice that now the whole day you have this beautiful red glow. Or maybe not the whole day, but the whole time the sun is up. So it's really nice to be outside.
Wat doe je, Ben?
Hey. Our dog, Puppy, she's not a big fan of the real cold days. If it's minus 5 or 10, she's fine, but colder than minus 20, she does not really want to go outside. So we bought her a jacket and shoes, but she's not really used to that.
Kom, Pep. Kom. 1, 2. Ja. 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 Goed. Kom. Kom, Pep. Kom. Oh. Kom maar. Kom. Oh, puppy. Come there. Come. Come. Kom mee.
So I'm in the car now, as you can see. Going to do some groceries. We are in the car quite a lot because nothing is close. But it's just breathtaking to look at the skies right now. Everywhere you watch, it's unbelievably beautiful. So while the days get shorter, in return, the hours of daylight we get are amazing. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.